Okay, linear interpolation formula sa voltage to distance. So ito yung analog voltage map out. Analog voltage map out. No, yung voltage kino-convert nila into distance measurement. Pag sinabi mong distance, physical measurement kasi yung distance. So, yun ang mini-measure nitong linear interpolation ng voltage to distance. No? Meron na tayo, pero mamaya na natin ipapakita yung example. So, yun yung analog voltage, kino-convert into distance. Into a distance value. Yan. So, ibig sabihin, lalo na daw sa mga infrared sensors. Ayan, nabasa natin yan. So, again, dahil wala naman akong robotics nung college, sa dalawang course ko, wala namang robotics. So, maganda't may dagdag tayo. So, yun lang po.